Hey guys, today I will show you how to play Monster Hunter World offline. When starting the game, it always asks you to create an online session. If no internet connection is available, the game automatically runs in offline mode and you can continue playing without any interruptions. Even if you start a quest online and then lose connection, the game doesn't kick you out. You can continue the quest in single player. If you do have internet but want to play alone, you can create a session set to session ID only. Don't share the ID with anyone and you're effectively playing offline. You can also set party sizes to 1 in an online session to play solo without anyone else joining. And that is how to play Monster Hunter World offline. Thank you so much for watching.